Hello everyone, Spiraling Fan here, and this is another unboxing video. So today, so you guys know, I got Super Smash Bros. Ultimate for Nintendo Switch. And I got three amiibos. One is Inkling, and one is Wolf, and another one is Ridley. Yeah. So you guys know, I remember when I first played Super Smash Bros. Since I was a kid. I played it on Nintendo 64, which is Nintendo 64 version, but I don't have Super Smash Bros. Melee because it's on a GameCube version. And I remember when I had Super Smash Bros. Brawl for my birthday. I played it for a long time, but now I borrowed it to someone else. And then 4 years ago, I had Super Smash Bros. On 3DS version and on a Wii U version. And yeah, that's the reason why. So you guys know, Super Smash Bros. Nintendo creates the GameCube adapter for Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. I don't have it because everything is all sold out. And now they're doing the same thing for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. They put GameCube adapter on Nintendo Switch console, but I don't have it either because I was told that everything is sold out either. So, yeah. Let's open this case up first. Got the game. And now Amiibos. Wolf Amiibo. Sorry about that, guys. The pop-up just came out from my computer screen. So, yeah. Just ignore that. Ridley, and last but not least, this one is Inkling. Yeah, it looks really cool. Oh, my battery is dying, so I hope you guys enjoy another unboxing video. So subscribe, give the like, and to leave the comments. Have a good day, guys.